Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and this is a warning video for all IELTS candidates. Your future, your dreams of going to a foreign country can be at stake if you are not careful. Okay, so this video is very important because sometimes you work very hard, you prepare very well, and if you do this during your IELTS exam, you can be banned for 3 years. Very recently, one of my students, and I want to mention the name of the country, one of my students got this notification of ban, and they've mentioned malpractice. Okay, so it's written, when you sign your IELTS application form, there it is written, I understand that if I engage in any form of malpractice or do anything that might damage the integrity and security of IELTS, I may be banned from taking IELTS test in the future. And you sign it there, right? So this student of mine actually went through some malpractice. And that malpractice was simply cheating. You know what happens when you are there and you think invigilators are not around? They have so many invigilators, like in each row there are 2 to 3 invigilators. Sometimes you think invigilator is gone and you say, hey, what is the answer of question number 3? Show me reading answers. So the one who is showing the answers and the one who is noting down the answers, both may be subject to very serious penalty. Now what happened to this student? Cheating in IELTS exam. And how do you know that the person sitting in front of you knows the right answers? People look intelligent in IELTS test, but literally, I don't want to use the opposite word of intelligent. Okay? Sometimes you think, oh, this guy is wearing necktie, wearing glasses, he must be intelligent, I should copy his answers, and you don't know that he is wearing necktie to, to hide something about him. Okay, so this student went through this, and then instead of getting the result, she got this notification of ban, right? And as per the notification of ban, this student of mine has been banned from 29 October 2022 to 29 October 2025. 2022 to 2025, 3 years of your life, they are out. Another student of mine from Indian Punjab, he's watching this video, I know, I don't want to name him. Okay, hello, he watches all my videos. So he also went through some malpractice and he was banned for 3 years. His ban has been lifted now. So what happened? He tried to appear in IELTS even after ban, and they accepted his money. He went through the test, he was very happy, and the day when his result was supposed to be announced, they sent him this letter, you cannot resit in IELTS exam because you have been banned. And he was very clever. He tried to appear from IDP. At that time, British Council was operating in that country, but now they are not operating. So he decided to change the test center. Again, they accepted his money. They said, welcome, sir. We need your money. And then the day when the result was supposed to be announced, he got this thing again. So, they will accept your money and they will tell you later that you're not allowed to resit. So guys, listen, in IELTS exam, listening, reading and writing, do not cheat, do not try to see what others are doing, mind your own business. One small mistake, whether once what happened, the examiner, the IELTS test supervisor said, candidates stop writing, and one of my students, she continued to write. You know what we do? First snatch the paper from him, then I'll give you my paper, and we don't let the examiner snatch the paper. Let me finish this answer and all that. So she kept on writing the answers on the answer sheet in reading module. When the exam supervisor had announced, candidate stop writing, invigilator came and removed the last 4 answers. So sometimes, if you wrote 1 answer and they remove last 4 answers, 4 correct answers means 1.5 band is gone. Okay, so be extra careful. Go like an innocent person, perform your test like all the people around you, they are your enemies. All the people around you, they are devils. If you talk to them, you will turn into a devil as well. So don't talk to anybody, whether there is some pretty or there is some handsome is sitting there, don't even try to make anything. Your pretties and your handsomes are there in your destination country. In Canada, ਆਪਾਂ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਲੱਭਾਂਗੇ pretties and the girls will find handsomes there. Will they find handsomes? I'm doubtful about that, okay? But anyways, yeah, Punjabiyan da rang unji pakka hunda hai. Okay? So all the best, guys. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore, Pakistan. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. At the moment, I'm here in Dubai, Spin Tower, Iconic Solutions. They provide immigration and visa services to foreign countries. So if you wish to contact them, you can search them online as well. They provided me this space for my IELTS masterclass, and I will come again here for another session of IELTS masterclass. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.